Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will share how to create a new user in Oracle Database 23 AI or Oracle Apex. I will follow step by step in a script. I will share this script in my description box. You can download it. At first I will connect as a sysdba, then I will create a permanent table space and temporary table space. For user I need table space. First I will create table space here, then I will create user. I will create user name pause. After that I will give privilege. Then I will connect this new user. I will share step by step Oracle Apex tutorial. The guys who want to learn Oracle Apex properly, I will request you, please follow our channel and watch all of my upcoming video. If you complete this video tutorial, then you will able to make any type of application using Oracle Apex. Thank you very much.